Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. My name is Dr. Susan. I would like to present our research paper on the innovation called PBM apps, a comprehensive solutions for efficient workshop and laboratory management in civil and electrical engineering departments. Before I proceed, I would like to introduce our team member. Our team member is myself, Dr. Susan from Civil Engineering Department, and another team member is T.S. Penny Doimin from Electrical Engineering Department. As for the introductions, in today's fast-paced research environment, efficient management of laboratory and workshop is crucial. So traditional workshop and laboratory management systems often struggle with inefficiency, lack of transparency, and limited data-driven insight, leading to waste resources, delays in providing reports, and suboptimal utilizations of equipment and facilities. Managing laboratories and workshop facilities in academic institutions involves several scheduling, resource allocations, and operational efficiency difficulties. The absence of the systematic approach to data management can lead to a multitude of problems, hindering an organization's ability to leverage data effectively and achieve its goal. To address this challenge, pengurusan bengkel makmal PBM apps, a comprehensive solutions designed to streamline and optimize laboratory and workshop operations, then introduced. Pengurusan bengkel makmal apps is a powerful tool designed to revolutionize laboratory and workshop management. This innovation provides a novel approach for managing academic facilities that make use of pengurusan bengkel makmal apps. PBM app's goal is to improve efficiency, optimize resource use, and increase facility accessibility by combining guide, stop center, real-time data updates, and user-friendly interface. PBM apps aims to streamline laboratory and workshop management, data access, and improve overall user satisfactions. So this innovation intends to illustrate the feasibilities and benefits of using PBM apps in academic facility management by conducting a complete stop center as reference, guide, and update informations. As for the problem statement, effective data management is essential in laboratory and workshop environments to ensure precise documentations, timely data updates, and time report delivery. At Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu, the process usually begins with a request for documentations from the head of department, HOD, which outline the precise demand and specifications. After receiving the directive from the HOD, the departmental asset coordinator prepare the supervisor with an informations. Following that, the supervisor of the laboratory and workshop prepares the paperwork upon request. The time frame that is often provided is 3 to 5 working days. Nevertheless, the time for compiling asset information for civil engineering departments with 6 laboratory and 3 workshops and 17 laboratories in electrical engineering can easily stretch beyond the initial 3 to 5 days estimate. Furthermore, gathering accurate and complete information on each asset can be time-consuming due to the process that involves physically checking manually on each item, recording details such as serial number, purchase date, and also the conditions, and possibly reviewing purchase record. In terms of coordinations involving multiple lab and workshop supervisors for data collections adds complexity. Ensuring consistent data entry and format across different individuals is crucial. Another issue related to data-driven optimizations is existing asset records might be scattered, outdated, or incomplete. Thus, consolidating and verifying this information adds to workloads. To address this issue, Departmental Asset Coordinator developed a structured plan for data collections to increase efficiency in data management, improve transparency in data management, and provide data-driven optimizations called Pengurusan Bengkel Makmal PBM apps. These user-friendly platforms offer a range of features that simplify equipment tracking, streamline maintenance schedule, and provide real-time insight into inventory levels. So this innovation practically functions as a comprehensive reference, guide, and information update platform by centralizing information, automating process, and reduce manual tasks. As for the objectives of this research is, first one is to develop pengurusan bengkel makmal apps that can be accessed through Google Sites. The second objective is to determine the effectiveness of PBM usage, and the third one is to determine the impact of PBM on work performance. The research questions of this study is, number one is how well does PBM usage work? Number two is how does PBM affect performance at work? As for scope of study, this research aims to evaluate the effectiveness of PBM usage and the impact of PBM on work performance. So the target populations of respondents are supervisors in civil and electrical engineering departments. This study will not include other staff members and students. This study conducted within 1 week time and can be accessed through Google Sites. Independent variable for this study is the use of PBM apps by laboratory and workshop supervisor, and the dependent variable are effectiveness and impact of PBM in user work performance. As for data control and security, only authorized person will be able to upload and update data in PBMs. Another user will only allowed to view document uploaded in PBMs. For effectiveness, it is measured by assessing PBM functions on facilitating workshop and laboratory managements. First one is about the durations required to obtain informations, the accuracy and up-to-date documentations, data-driven optimization for easy decision related to laboratory management, regularly update informations, overall effectiveness, and the last one is completeness of the information provided in PBMs. Furthermore, the impact on user work performance, it is measured by assessing the PBM apps on helping to improve user productivity at work, help to reduce error in laboratory management, assist in monitoring and reporting laboratory assets, help to access and improve laboratory management practice, and lastly, to determine if PBM do support on user professional needs in workshop and laboratory management. For the literature review, data management is a process of acquiring, evaluating, and using data safely and effectively to enhance outcomes. To address issues with data organizations, this challenge have increased the need of an organizations having an effective data management plan. Because there's a large amount of high-quality data that needs to be properly handled, an organization needs a flexible, modern data management system that connects with the current technology. In this research, Polytechnic require organized and well-managed data management due to multiple laboratories and workshops. Every lab and workshop in the department has equipment that need to be tracked down, serviced, or organized. Thus, to ensure the data access is efficient, record must be managed appropriately. Google Site is a free website creation tools offered by Google that allow users to build simple website without needing any coding knowledge. So Google Site works by creating a site by selecting a pre-made templates or choosing a blank site. The interface is drag and drop, making it easy to add content like texts, image, and videos. Google Sites offer a variety of content blocks to add pages, text, image, video, map, calendar, and more. Besides, corrector may embed content from other Google services such as Google Docs, Google Sheets, and also YouTube. There are numerous theme and style options for the website. Once satisfied, creator may publish it and the site will be accessible to anyone with the link. Utilizing the Codula platform, no coding experience may create Android apps. Codulas offer a range of features that make it powerful tools for apps development. Since laboratory and workshop management required effective data management and data storage, implementing best practice using appropriate tools may ensure the reliability and value of the data. According to Edwin 2023, to manage a variety of data sources, guarantee real-time processing, and promote stakeholder engagement, modern data quality procedures make us cutting-edge technologies, automations, and machine learning place a high priority on data governance, ongoing monitoring, and proactive management. In these innovation projects, PBM is accessible through Google Sites and Codilo applications and serve as a reference center for laboratory and workshop management in civil and electrical engineering departments. As you can see here, this is the conceptual designs of this research. Let's talk about the methodology. So methodology on this research consists of two sections. The first section is about the development of pengurusan bengkel makmal apps, and the second section is a survey question on determining the effectiveness of PBM usage and the impact of PBM apps on user work performance. Let's look at the first one, which is developments of pengurusan bengkel makmal PBM apps. So a bit introductions about the PBM apps. The PBM interface is divided into two categories. One category is for Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam and another category is for Jabatan Kejuruteraan Elektrik. By clicking one of these icons, the apps will direct user to the next interface. The next interface consists of 8 submenus. So the submenus are: first one is mengenai PBM, the second one is about the hierarchy reports, and the third one is about pengurusan aset alih, fourth one is about borang rekod penggunaan, the fifth one is about borang QPA, and then the sixth one is about the taklimat, and the seventh is rekod penyelenggaraan, and number 8 is pengurusan aset alih. So user may click on any of these submenus to view document. As for Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam, there are 6 laboratories and 3 workshops. As you can see here, this is the interface of PBMs. User may click on any laboratory or workshop to view documents. To upload documents or to update any document, supervisor just need to go to any particular menu or icon to upload document. While for viewing purposes, supervisor or user may view any documents by clicking icon or menus on the interface. To return to main menu, user just need to click on kembali button. By clicking PBM button at user upper left hand side, user will be direct to the main page. Introducing to you the pengurusan bengkel makmal apps. This is the interface of pengurusan bengkel makmal. If you can see here, the interface is divided into 2 parts. One is Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam, another one is Jabatan Kejuruteraan Elektrik. Let's take a tour for Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam. All you have to do is just click on the icon of the Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam. When you click the icon of Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam, there is a sub-icon in Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam. One of it is a mengenai PBM, meaning the introduction of the PBM. Another one is a hierarchy, pengurusan aset alih, buku rekod penggunaan, borang QPA, taklimat, rekod penyelenggaraan, and penilaian aset alih. Let's say we want to look into hierarchy report. All we have to do is just click on the hierarchy icon. If we click on the hierarchy icon, if we can see here, for Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam is divided into laboratory and workshop. So in Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam, as you can see here, this is the laboratory and also workshop that we have in Jabatan Kejuruteraan Awam. One is bengkel bata, bengkel kayu, bengkel pipe, makmal geotek, makmal hydraulik, makmal jalan raya, makmal konkrit, makmal quality air, makmal structure, and makmal ukur. Let's say we want to look into the hierarchy report for bengkel bata. So what we have to do is just click on the bengkel bata. So if we click on the Bengkel Bata, they will come out appear like this, and then you just click on the PDF. So you will see this is the hierarchy report for Bengkel Bata. So everyone who want to look into the hierarchy report for Bengkel Bata can do the same, which is just click on the hierarchy icon and choose which laboratory or workshop you want to review. When you're done, just click on X button and then click back. So you'll be back to the front page. As for section 2, which is a survey questions, so a survey questions was distributed to laboratory and workshop supervisor to understand the effectiveness of PBM usage and the impact of PBM apps on user work performance. A sample size of 9 for a population of 9 respondents was from Civil Engineering Department, and a sample size of 17 for a population of 70 respondents were from Electrical Engineering Departments. The method to determine a sample size is referred to Krejci and Morgan 1970 tables. Fortunately, researchers managed to get feedbacks from all the supervisors from civil and electrical engineering departments. Each respondent has given 1 week of time to fill in the survey questions, which is sent via link to all respected respondents. In the survey questions for PBM apps effectiveness, survey question is on facilitating workshop and laboratory management, PBM simplicity of use, duration required to obtain informations, accuracy and up-to-date documentation, data-driven optimizations for easy decision related to laboratory management, regularly update informations, overall effectiveness and completeness of the information provided in PBM are measured. While for the impact on user work performance, item measures are PBM's apps helping to improve user productivity at work, help to reduce error in laboratory management, assist in monitoring and reporting laboratory assets, help to assess and improve laboratory management practice. Question about PBM's roles in meeting user needs for professional support in workshop and laboratory management were also included in this study. As you can see here, this is the finding and analysis of effectiveness of PBM usage. Figure 4.1 show the finding on the percentage of PBM functions in facilitating user for workshop and laboratory management. It shows that 84.6% of the user responds that PBM is very helpful in facilitate the workshop and laboratory management, while another 15.4% of the users said that PBM is helpful in facilitate their workshop and laboratory management. Therefore, overall findings show 100% of the user agreed PBM is very helpful in facilitating their workshop and laboratory management. As in figure 4.2 shows the finding on the percentage of PBM simplicity of use. According to it, 76.9% respondents, PBM is very easy to use, and another 23.1% of users said PBM is easy to use. Therefore, overall findings show 100% of the user rate PBM is a user-friendly platform and easy to use. Figure 4.3 show the findings of durations of time required to obtain information from PBMs. Data shows 65.4% of users very satisfied with the durations of time takes to access information in PBMs. Another 34.6% users satisfied with its performance in terms of time durations. Therefore, overall finding shows 100% of the user does not require much time to access information, and users are very satisfied with the time takes to access the information on PBMs. Figure 4.4 show the findings on accuracy and up-to-date documentations. Findings show 73.1% of users said PBM is very helpful in maintaining accurate and up-to-date documentations. Another 26.9% of users said PBM is helpful in maintaining accurate and up-to-date documentations. Overall findings, PBMs are very helpful in maintaining accurate and up-to-date documentations. Figure 4.5 show the findings on data-driven optimizations for easy decisions related to laboratory management. Based on the findings, 76.9% of users respond by using PBMs. It is very easy for them to make decisions related to laboratory management, while another 23.1% respondents said it is easy to make decisions related to laboratory management. This shows that by utilizing PBM apps functions, it is easier for users to make decisions related to laboratory management. Figure 4.6 shows data on regularly updated information on PBMs. According to the data, only 19.2% of the information provided in PBM regularly update information, while another 80.8% respondents said it is sometimes updated. Overall, workshop and laboratory supervisor only updates PBM when there is a need to update. Figure 4.7 show data on overall effectiveness of PBMs. According to the data, 53.8% of the respondents said PBM is very effective, and 46.2% of the respondents said PBM is effective. This means that overall rating said PBM is very effective. Figure 4.8 shows a finding on the completeness of information provided in PBMs. Based on the findings, 96.2% of the respondents said information provided in PBMs are complete, while 3.8% said it is very complete. Overall, PBM provide complete information for users. Figure 4.9 shows the finding on PBM's functions in terms of improved productivity at work. According to the findings, PBM's users said PBMs greatly improve productivity at work. Another 38.5% of the users said PBMs improve their productivity at work. This result shows that PBM has improved user productivity at work. Figure 4.10 on PBM's function to reduce error in laboratory management shows 61.5% users said PBM greatly help reduce error in laboratory management, and 30.8% users said PBM helps reduce error in laboratory management. However, 7.7% of users respond not sure if PBM help in reducing errors in laboratory management. Figure 4.11 show the result on PBM's functions in terms of assisting in monitoring and reporting laboratory assets. 69.2% users said PBM is very helpful in assisting and monitoring works on reporting laboratory assets, while another 30.8% of users said PBMs is helpful. Overall result shows that PBM is very helpful in assisting in monitoring works and reporting laboratory assets. For the impact on user work, Figure 4.12 show the finding of PBMs in terms of helping to access and improve laboratory management practice. 53.8% of users said that PBM is very helpful in assessing and improve laboratory management practice, and another 46.2% respondents said PBM is helpful. This showed that PBMs will successfully function as a tool to help users in assessing and improve laboratory management practice. Another impact on users' work shows in Figure 4.13. So Figure 4.13 shows the finding on PBM support in professional needs in workshop and laboratory management. 65.4% users said PBMs greatly support professional needs in workshop and laboratory management, while the other 34.6% said it's support. Overall finding found that PBMs greatly support professional needs in workshop and laboratory management. As for the conclusions, pengurusan bengkel makmal PBM apps have been successfully developed and has successfully achieved its objective in increasing efficiency in data management and giving positive impact on work performance. In terms of effectiveness, PBMs very helpful in facilitate user workshop and laboratory management work. Based on the finding, user rate PBMs as a user-friendly platform and easy to use. Furthermore, in terms of duration required to obtain information, user does not require much time to access informations, and users are very satisfied with the time takes to access information on PBMs. PBMs also helpful in maintaining accurate and up-to-date documentations. Thus, by utilizing PBM apps functions, it is easier for users to make decisions related to laboratory management. Even though workshop and laboratory supervisor only update PBMs when there is a need to update, but PBM's data is still relevant as reference to that. Overall rating said PBM is very effective and provided complete information for users. In terms of impact of PBM in work performance, results show that PBM has improved supervisor productivity at works. It also greatly helps in reducing error in laboratory management. Besides assisting in monitoring works and reporting laboratory assets, PBM will successfully function as a tool to help users in assessing and improve laboratory management practice. Overall rating says that PBMs greatly support professional needs in workshop and laboratory management. This innovation has demonstrated the practicality and advantage of using the PBM apps in academic facility management by functioning as a comprehensive reference, guide, and information update platform by centralizing information, automating processes, and reduce manual tasks. Overall, based on the user feedbacks, this innovation project called Pengurusan Bengkel Makmal PBM has been successfully developed and has successfully achieved its objective in increasing efficiency in data management and giving positive impact on work performance. Till then, that's all from us. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.